Hey, this is Yuri and welcome to Blauparts. In this video, we're going to be demonstrating how you can change the transfer case fluid on a 2022 Toyota Tacoma. This is going to apply to all 2016 to 2023 Toyota Tacoma transfer cases. All the steps of this video will also apply to the older 2009 to 2015 models. However, there will be some slight differences in the recommended transfer case fluid specification. To learn more about the different transfer case fluid spec for the 2015 and older models, you can check out our blog linked in the description below. For this demonstration, we're going to be using one of our convenient Blau transfer case differential fluid change kits featuring Revenol gear oils. In this kit, we include the appropriate amount of 75 weight transfer case fluid in accordance with all 2016 to 2023 Toyota Tacoma transfer case fluid recommendations. To find the right transfer case differential fluid change kit for your Tacoma model, or for more information on the recommended transfer case fluid specifications, fill capacities, change intervals, and the performance benefits when using our convenient Blau transfer case differential fluid change kits, check out the link in the description below. So let's get started. Begin by confirming that the transfer case is warm. This allows the fluid to drain more thoroughly while it's being drained. During the fluid change, the vehicle will need to be in a level position. Most Toyota Tacoma transfer case fluid changes can be done on a flat, level surface without lifting the vehicle. In our case, we're going to be gaining access to the bottom side of the vehicle using an SAE-approved automotive lift. To confirm you're lifting the vehicle correctly, you can reference your factory owner's manual for the proper vehicle lift point locations and safety procedures. Next, locate the transfer case fluid fill plug. This is on the rear side of the transfer case, closest to the drive shaft. Loosen and remove the fill plug in a counterclockwise direction using a 24mm socket and ratchet. Removing the fill plug before draining the transfer case confirms you have a way to refill it in case the fill plug is seized and can't be removed. Next, locate the transfer case fluid drain plug. This is on the rear lower left section of the transfer case. Loosen and remove the drain plug in a counterclockwise direction using a 24mm socket and ratchet. Allow the old transfer case fluid to drain into a suitable waste oil drain pan. Next, clean the drain and fill plugs from excess contaminants and debris. Next, reinstall the drain plug and sealing washer by threading it in a clockwise direction. Using a 24mm socket and torque wrench, tighten the drain plug. In our case, we're tightening it to a 27 foot-pound torque specification. Next, begin filling the transfer case with the recommended 75 weight transfer case fluid specification. The correct fluid level has been achieved when a stream of fluid begins overflowing from the transfer case fluid fill port, or a 1 liter or 1.05 quart fill capacity. For more information on the recommended Toyota Tacoma transfer case fluid specifications and fill capacities, see the link below. Next, with the transfer case fluid level full, you can reinstall the fill plug with sealing washer by threading it in a clockwise direction. Using a 24mm socket and torque wrench, tighten the fill plug. In our case, we're tightening it to a 27 foot-pound torque specification. Next, using a rag, clean and remove any excess fluid from the transfer case fluid drain and fill plug areas. The transfer case should be completely cleaned from any fluid residue. This will later help when inspecting and confirming that the transfer case does not have any leaks after performing your fluid change and test drive. So that's an overview on how to change the transfer case fluid on the 2016 to 2023 Toyota Tacoma models. If you have any further questions, or if you'd like to see our other Toyota Tacoma DIY fluid change and maintenance videos, feel free to visit our website at blauparts.com. If you found this video helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up and feel free to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.